The structure of the world's steel industry has changed considerably during the past few years. This is a continuous trend toward specialization. The billet production is now concentrated to certain plants. Competition in the steel industry calls for reduced production cost. And the users of steel products demand superior quality. For these reasons, there's a need for automatic test equipment. Therm O Matic is an automatic system for surface inspection of steel billets. It represents a significant contribution to improved quality and reduced production cost. The Elkem Group of Norway is active in most parts of the world. Their activities cover a wide range of applications, from production of ferroalloys, steel and aluminium, to environmental protection and pollution control. Research and development has for many years been given high priority within the Elkem organization. There's a constant search for new and improved technologies. These research and development activities have also generated a number of valuable spin-off products. Therm O Matic is a result of this intensive research program. Therm O Matic represents a new concept for surface inspection. It has large capacity and low operating cost with superior reliability. It provides automatic defect marking of billets. Therm O Matic is designed for steel plants with high-quality steel production. This is how the Therm O Matic operates. When a billet passes through a high-frequency coil, an electric current is induced. This current flows in the surface of the billet because of a skin effect. Due to the electrical resistance of the metal, the surface temperature will increase by a few degrees. A defect in the billet surface will cause the current to bypass the defect area. And as a result, the temperature of this area will increase even further. Temperature gradients will occur over the defect area. By scanning the surface with heat-sensitive infrared detectors, the temperature profile can be recorded and passed on to microprocessors. Subsequent analysis of the data locates all the defects. This information is fed to a manifold with paint spray nozzles, which marks the defect locations on the billet. The complete Therm O Matic system comprises of the following elements. First, the billet passes through the moistening unit, in which water is sprayed onto the billet surface. A water film will reduce possible problems created by surface roughness and improve the signal-to-noise ratio. Two tachometer wheels monitor the traveling speed of the billet through the installation. This is the only physical contact with the billet during inspection. Charge-coupled device line scanning cameras are continuously monitoring the billet size and position to safeguard the equipment and maintain inspection integrity. For example, the information from these cameras is used dynamically to position the high-frequency coil centered around the billet. The coil can be maneuvered by a hydraulic servo system and energized by a solid-state high-frequency generator. The coil and the power supply cables are water-cooled. The coils are available in a number of sizes which allow for a good range of billet cross-sections. 4 infrared scanners are mounted on a movable frame. Each scanner covers one side of billets or a sector of bars. These detectors record the temperature profiles in one-dimensional scanning across the billet. 4 assemblies of paint marking nozzles will mark any defects on the billet surface as the billet passes through the marking unit. The electronic control equipment is mounted in a cubicle located in the control room. This cubicle contains display units, signal processing units, and supervisory computer. To this system is connected a terminal for entry of manual inspection data and 2 printers, one for reports and the other for alarm logs. The entire installation is controlled from the operator's console. The associated high-frequency generator supplies approximately 100 kilowatts at 40 kilohertz. A cooling air compressor supports the sensitive infrared detectors by producing extremely clean and dry air at 200 bar. The moistening system consists of a tank with necessary pumps and filters and supplies water at constant pressure. The hydraulic system is a power pack, complete with tank, pumps and filters, and provides hydraulic oil pressure at approximately 100 bar for the coil servo system. The cooling water system for the high-frequency generator and coil comprises of a heat exchanger, pumps, filters, tanks and valves. The water operates in a closed circuit and is deionized to ensure low conductivity. The paint cabinet contains chambers with paint of different colors. The Therm O Matic system is powered from a single electric panel which provides power distribution to all units as well as to the motor control center. A PLC system performs the desired logic control of the system and interfaced to other plant control functions. The complete Therm O Matic system is supplied with all necessary instrumentation to ensure reliable operation and inspection integrity. A typical Therm O Matic installation will meet the following specifications: high detection performance with 2 adjustable threshold settings, detection of defect depths down to 0.2 millimeters with a minimum defect length of 15 millimeters at a speed of 0.4 to 1 meter per second. Able to handle cross sections from squares 15 to 300 millimeters and rounds from 15 to 300 millimeters in diameter. Reliable operation with surface temperatures from approximately -10 degrees to +50 degrees Celsius. Depending on special plant requirements, the Therm O Matic system can be equipped with options. The first option, special criteria for sorting. Usually prime billets are sorted into one bed. The defective billets are sorted into another bed. Optionally, one may relax on quality demand by accepting billets with less than a specified quantity of defects. It is also possible to apply several sorting beds and the corresponding number of sorting criteria. The second option, special marking. The quality rating of the individual billets may also be marked at the end of the billet by applying certain paint patterns. The third option, special reporting. The reports may be modified to meet any special requirement. The fourth option, host computer control. The Therm O Matic inspection system may operate under control of a higher level host computer. Operator attention will be eliminated or significantly reduced. Inspection setup data is supplied from the host computer and inspection results are transferred to the host's database. The fifth option, information for automatic grinding. This electronic extension of the Therm O Matic system provides information in the form of a surface area mapping of defects to an external computer, which in turn controls a set of grinders. The sixth option, special profile inspection. This allows for the inspection of other than square and circular profiles. Therm O Matic can adapt to, for example, rectangular profiles, hexagonal profiles, octagonal profiles, rails and tubes. The seventh option, non-magnetic steel inspection. By applying special coils and corresponding signal processing equipment, non-magnetic steel may be inspected. The eighth option, concussed billet inspection. This option uses coils of different geometrical shapes to enable detection of transverse defects as well as longitudinal defects. The Therm O Matic system provides superior detectability of defects, superior selectivity of defect indication, vastly increased capacity, high reliability, close to 100% availability, clear marking of defects, increased grinding capacity as overmarking is reduced, inspection of both square profiles, circular profiles and other profiles, smooth inline testing and no interruption of production flow, automatic sorting of billets, simplifying handling of material, significant operating cost reduction, feedback to upstream production line in case of excess defect rate, a number of options for special applications. All these benefits become yours if you install a Therm O Matic package in your plant. And remember, a Therm O Matic system can be tailor-made to meet your specific requirements. Choose the Therm O Matic. A number of companies have already done so. Several installations are operational around the world. The reference list of satisfied users is long. Elcam Technology can also supply professional engineering services for complete inspection lines with non-destructive testing, including on-loading facilities, billet straightening, shot blasting, ultrasonic testing, and off-loading facilities, as well as surface inspection by Therm O Matic. You can trust every process stage to Elcam. Basic studies, construction, engineering, procurement, erection, commissioning, and training. Where will the next Therm O Matic package go? It could become yours.